I personally have a lot of interest into the business, and I deeply understand and I deeply study and research about what are the other business models that prevail, so that how I can adopt and get myself inspired from other industries, and those concepts I could incorporate into the health and wellness industry. So one thing that I've actually realized is health and wellness post COVID is such a thriving business to be in. ये यूजली अदर इंडस्ट्री जहाँ पे आपकी डोमेन बहुत कंपेरेटिव होती जा रही है, फिटनेस एंड हेल्थ क्लब इंडस्ट्री एक ऐसा इस वक्त बिजनेस है जहाँ पे आपका डोमेन स्ट्रॉन्ग है बिकॉज द डिमांड इज मोर एंड द सप्लाई इज कंटेन्ड. एज अ बिजनेस मॉडल, इफ यू ओन अ हेल्थ क्लब, when you're running a gym, it's a very respected business model. It's a very cash positive industry. You don't really have to work on credit cycle, which happens usually with the other industries. यहाँ पे आपका रॉ मटेरियल का रिप्लेनिशमेंट का बिल्कुल भी हेडेक्स इन्वॉल्व नहीं है. So the demand is more and technically the supply is less. कंपटीशन हेल्थ क्लब इंडस्ट्री में उन जगहों पे है जहाँ पे आपकी टेक्नोलॉजी आउटबीट या आउटडेटेड हो चुकी है. सो इफ़ यू अपडेट योरसेल्फ विद अ न्यूअर एंड अ बेटर टेक्नोलॉजी, you sustain in the market for the long years. Client acquisition cost in many of the industries is pretty high, especially in the hospitality industry. You really have to sponsor at times enough to gain your customers. We engage in business for financial benefits. हेल्थ क्लब इंडस्ट्री का बिजनेस मॉडल आपको 25 से 35% एनुअलाइज रिटर्न्स ऑफर करता है. सो अगर आपके जिम की इन्वेस्टमेंट 60 से 90 lakhs की हो, it typically will take you about 2 or 2.5 years to recover your money first. Second, it's a very sustainable business model because यहाँ पे आपकी अब reinvestments बहुत जल्दी engage नहीं होंगी. So you can encash within the same investment for a few long years, thereby making yourself handsome profits and expanding to more branches. जिम को बहुत efficiently चलाना बहुत tough काम नहीं है. आपको 3-4 basic protocols की जरूरत होती है. Number one is your hardware, which is equipment and interiors have to be just in line with the current trending forms which prevail in the industry. Second is your marketing strategy on social media. अगर आप अपनी content strategy को अच्छे से position करें, you be the master of at least one core domain, and then you attract the people who are looking for services around that domain. And the third and the most important is your protocol of running the gym. जितने भी आपके resources हैं, they have to be all disciplined, determined and also hygienic. अगर आप इन domains को control कर सके, which prevails in any industry, trust me, आपका health club business model will outbeat any other businesses that you're willing to consider for a better prospect and future growth. Gym business is basically the game of next generation. आप अपने घर के youngsters को या future generation को एक अच्छा business path carve करना चाहते हो, health club industry is one industry that you should surely consider. It's a thriving business model. You need support or counseling around this? Talk to us.